So today's video is all about hinge adjustment. So we're going to talk about height adjustment, lateral adjustment and compression adjustment. So the first one we're going to go with is the height adjustment, which you will find if you remove the bottom cap of your hinge, you will expose some sort of adjustment screw, this one being a 5mm Allen key. So what we'll do is insert that Allen key and turn it clockwise to make it raise up. As you can see with this split here, you can see it's starting to raise, and then anti-clockwise to bring it back down. And then just put your cap back in. The next adjustment will be your compression. So normally this is your top cap off, again exposing some sort of adjustment. And with this you will notice when we start to turn that 5mm Allen key again, you'll see the hinge move in and out and the gasket get closer and further away from the frame. So once you've got that to a sweet spot, cap back on, and the next one will be the lateral. On this hinge we have a little cap at the end here that we can remove, and this will expose a 5mm Allen key. Again, insert this, and this will bring your door closer and further away from the hinge. So if we go anti-clockwise here, you will see it's starting to bring the hinge, the frame into the hinge, and then clockwise it will start to manoeuvre it away from the hinge. So once you've got that, cap back on. If you don't have that cap, you might need to lift the cover off or remove the securing screw, which up here I will put a video of how to do that. So just to recap, the bottom of the hinge will bring your hinge up and down. The top will be the compression, bringing it in and out, and taking off the cap and adjusting the lateral will bring it towards the hinge or away from the hinge. So if your door lock is hitting the keep, or the little rollers are hitting the keep, bring this hinge towards the hinge. Also, if you want to square up your door as if it's dragging at the bottom corner, with the top hinge adjust it towards the frame, and then your bottom hinge adjust it towards the full length keep on the opening side, and that will adjust your door and square it up.